Okay, here I want to show building a RPN reverse Polish notation calculator using prompt programming with AI. First, you describe what you want to build. And then you hit enter, and it'll start working on it. It's 5:23 right now, starting. See how long this takes to actually run. It shows you when it's doing changes. When they're done, you hit keep here. Allow to allow this command to run. Allow in this session. You see over here it's generated some files. Now it's installing the npm packages it needs to actually do the React app. It even tells you nicely what it's doing over here on the right side. You can see it's adding some files to the app.jsx. And now it's gotten up to 223 changes. Doing different CSS files. Got your files over here. Let's hit keep for the changes. And that puts the changes here in the source files. And now it's adding some more. I'll keep those changes and then allow it to run. It's going to try to run the app now. And we'll allow it in this session. And it has a calculator. And it does a description. What we've got: core functions, mathematical functions, stack management, inline error messages, some nice UI. Now if you want to run it over here, you do npm run dev, and then you control click on this line here, and then it puts it running actually on the local host, and then you can try plus, and as you can see, it's reverse Polish notation. You enter your numbers and then you put your operator after, and it does the operation for you. Then when you want to actually build this to deploy it, you do npm run build, and it rebuilds the index, CSS, and the JavaScript files are up here in this distribution directory. And you take all of these files here and move them out to your server, your assets, favicon, icons, and this file. You would also need to, on Linux, you'd need to do a dot in front of these paths so it goes to your local directory. And you see autocomplete was putting it in there. And we'll pause for a minute and we'll go deploy this and then come back. Okay, now we have, here's the local host. This is running on the VS Code instance, and then this one here on my live URL is running under RPN Calc, and it's the same as when we were running it in the local environment, but now this is actually out on a live web server. And in about 13 minutes we have from an idea that we wanted to build here in AI